Hello everyone. How is everybody doing? I was not fully prepared, so I'm still replacing the text. Look at this. I'm live preparing. It's horrible. I was still in a restaurant like 15 minutes ago. This stream actually came quite at a late moment because I actually was planning another stream today, to be really honest. Okay, there was the stream that was planned was a redesigning session with UI Chemy, but then that couldn't happen because we had some preparation issues, and we both wanted to be prepared well for the stream. I wanted to be well prepared, so then I discussed with UI Chemy and they were like, let's change it. So that's why I improvised, and I've been vibe coding in the last 2 weeks for like in almost all of my free time because I love vibe coding, and now I just want to do something together with you. I've been a lot better at it. I started in ChatGPT like 2-3 weeks ago, and then I switched to Cursor, but I learned a lot of things about vibe coding. And yeah, I want to tell you all of it. But first, is the quality good? Is the quality good? Is the audio good? Because I actually got a new microphone and a new camera. It's an actual streaming cam. Maybe I can show that to you somehow. Wait, can I do that? Let me first make sure we have some nice music. Yes, and then we're just gonna put on, which one? We're just gonna put on the techno list. Let's just start with a little bit of energy. It's perfect, nice. I bought an actual streaming cam. Can I show that to you? I think I can. Quality and the mic are great. Thank you, Lex, for confirming. Dennis also says it's perfect. Thank you. That's the reason why I don't make live stream promises too early. Yeah, I know, Lex, but I still want to. I still want to create something. Okay. You guys are now going to look at yourself, okay? I'm turning on the selfie cam so you can look at yourself. You can look at the camera and the microphone set. No, that doesn't work. Wait. Oh, of course, like this. Okay, look. Wait. This is hard. Okay, here, look. You see that little... Wait. Like this camera right here? It's the Logitech Stream Cam. And then I also bought a new mic. Wait, can I show that? It's so hard. It's a Rode Video NTG. And then my 2 lights. Do you see it? Pretty cool, right? What tools do you use for vibe coding? Yeah, okay, so let me tell you guys. I have learned a lot since the last stream that I did. Actually, the first vibe coding stream that I did was with ChatGPT. I started in ChatGPT, and I think I only watched like one tutorial just before the stream about Cursor. Okay, so if you didn't know, let me just show my browser, Chrome. Yeah. Wait. I can make myself a little bit bigger. Let's just do this, and let's just do this. How about that? We don't have a guest today, so we don't need that much space. Let me just preview myself over here. Okay, so you have a few coding, AI coding platforms these days, okay? So, of course, we all know ChatGPT. But then more tools came out. And I think the one that went quite viral first was Lovable. This is, if you don't know what AI vibe coding is, it's just a chat. And when you type something in here, you basically get like a web app or just an interface. And it doesn't work perfectly right from the start, of course. But it is very cool what you can do with it. So this is like the next generation, or how would I say it? It's like a hybrid of AIs. It's not just generating the code, what you can do with ChatGPT, but it's also designing the interface and like building it at the same time. So you get like a visual preview of what you're building. And that's just, it's just so cool. So this tool, I think, first went viral. And then a company like Bolt, it's probably gonna log me in now if I do this. Oh no, okay. So this is a same concept, but this one is a little bit more advanced. And then last time I used Cursor. That's actually the one I used in the first live stream. And this one is actually a lot more advanced. I realized after. So I started watching YouTube videos. And then I realized that Cursor and another one called Windsurf. By the way, all the same concept, okay? This is all the same concept. Wait, no, this is an actual windsurfing website, or is it not? Wait, why is there a windsurfing video on the windsurfing website? That's so confusing. Wow, look at that button. Look at that button. Look at that. Whew. Okay. Sorry, I got a bit distracted. But editor is built for the way I'm... Oh, okay, this is windsurf. Okay, a little bit confusing with the actual windsurfing video, but this is another professional tool that's more built for developers. But I'm a designer, right? I'm a no-code developer. I'm not I don't know how to write code. I only know the basics of CSS. And so I started to watch on YouTube, like what kind of wait. Back to live mode. Where's my screen? Can it work now? Yeah, okay. I started to watch videos on YouTube on what the differences are. And the main thing I realized was that... Okay, let me just go to YouTube. Again. The main thing that I realized, if you type in, I don't know, Lovable versus Bolt versus Cursor, by watching some guys, which one? I think I watched this video. This video is so good. I ranked every AI coder, and this guy, he tested all of them. And he just made a very good comparison video. And then I basically realized that not every AI tool is good in the same thing. And so I realized that I had built my application in the wrong tool. Yeah, this is really, really interesting stuff, guys. And so this opened like a world of possibilities for me. I realized that you need to understand the AI tool before you make that decision, right? Wait, I see I need to fix one more thing. Chrome, still haven't replaced the text here. So, also Figma. This is actually the live stream that was supposed to happen today. We were already preparing the thumbnail. By the way, I have a little team now, a content team. Yeah, I'm getting help with like stuff like this, thumbnails and editing. So I'm really happy. That's why I can push out a lot more content now. So a lot of credits to the people who helped me in the background. I don't know if they want me to name them, but I just want to put that out there. And ChatGPT. Also, let me just change that text. I'm sorry for the bad preparation, guys. Oh yeah, and also this one is also interesting. I used this AI custom GPT to help me debug the things that I'm doing in Bolt. So what we're gonna do now in Bolt, you're gonna see, this is not gonna be a perfect output from the beginning. It's not. We're gonna do a lot here, okay? We're gonna like build try to build the actual website that I have in mind. But it's not gonna be perfect. So then we're gonna switch to ChatGPT and then ask the ChatGPT like, hey, we have this problem, can you help? And sometimes I've discovered that ChatGPT is actually quite good at debugging. And then I'm literally asking ChatGPT, can you debug or can you write a prompt for my AI tool, my other AI tool, to fix this issue? And sometimes that works. It's amazing. It's so cool. Okay. Before I tell you what I have in mind, you already see it as a color palette website. Let me just quickly check the comments. Who is here, guys? Who is here? What countries do we have in the house? Windsurf has been bought, right? By OpenAI. Is that true? Yeah, maybe I've heard. Like, all these companies are buying each other. It's a big competition. Like, it's so sick, guys. Like, I'm even starting to rethink my web design workflow. And I'm actually now thinking that maybe for some simple projects, we don't even have to use WordPress. We can just skip. It's sick. It's sick. But I'm not going to get to any conclusions. Yeah, I know. I fixed the header. Okay. Do you have a checklist overlay? What do you mean with that, Dennis? Dennis is watching from Netherlands and Lex also from Dutchland. We have people from India, GRB Videography, Poland, Pakistan, more Pakistan. Oh, here, Abdullah is also using Cursor to make a project. We have Veseline from the UK, Steph from France. I see some familiar faces. Welcome back, guys. Windsurf has been bought for 3 billion. Wow, this is the next big thing. It's so exciting what's happening. Like, a few years ago, I thought, like, you know, crypto will, like, blockchain, that will be the next thing where all of the money goes. And of course, that's where a lot of money is still going. But then, you know, AI came around the corner. And this is now the new hot thing. All of the big companies are working on it. It's so cool. Hi from Holland, now working in Utrecht. Designing something in AutoCAD. Very nice. We have Ayman from Lebanon. Flores from Belgium. Abdullah is from Pakistan. We have Hungary people. And lol, I watched your tutorial, now you're live. Yeah, that's cool, right? I'm putting out so much content. This is so good. So we have in mind what you're going to do in the stream. Yeah, okay, let's talk about it, okay? Let me give you a little bit of background what we're going to do in this stream. So this was the intro about vibe coding. I have been vibe coding applications. And do I already want to show something I've been cooking? I think I do. I don't know. Should I? Yeah, okay, I will. I have been creating something really sick. Let me first show you what I've been cooking. So I'm confident, okay, that this can work. And then I'm actually gonna show you what I'm gonna build. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is not what the stream is about, but I just want to show you what I've been able to build without writing one line of code. Look at this. What is this? This is an template library for Elementor, and it is sick. I have been inspired by 2 other companies, like Section Express. I don't know if you know that, but this is like a section library for Elementor, so you can like copy all kinds of templates. But it's a little bit hard to like find stuff. and it's not always built in the best way, and you have to pay quite a lot in order to get access. Where's the pricing? No, not pricing table. Getting started. I don't even know what the price. Oh, here. Yearly payments, one-time payments. Yeah, so if you want like the full package with updates, then you're gonna have to pay quite a bit. This one is better now. It's actually 50% off. It was 160. And another company which I actually like more is Elementor. I've actually bought this myself, and they also have a great library of components. As you can see, my YouTube friends over here have even talked about it. Here, look at this, Paul and Imran. So it's really cool. So what you can do here is you can, like for example, you want to have this design. You can copy it like this, and then you can paste it inside of your Elementor. So let me just log into my InstaWP and just spin up a website. And then I will show you what I actually built. Okay. Yeah, this is cool, guys. This is really cool. I'm getting there, okay? The story is building up. Somebody asked, what is vibe coding? A new language? No, here, Steph gave an answer. It's coding without writing a single line of code. Yeah. I'm a developer now. I'm a web app developer. It's sick. It's sick. We're gonna do this together, okay? In this stream. Don't worry. What is this? Yeah. I will show you. Okay, so I just copied a template from here, right? I just clicked on copy. That's it. It says copy to your clipboard. You go to a page in Elementor. You open this. It's so sick. It's so sick. And then you just go to an empty section. You click paste from other side. You press Command V. Look. And there's a whole section. You don't have to build it yourself. It's great. But this website is a little bit hard to use because there's not an easy way to filter. It's really small. If you want to see previews, you have to open things in a new tab. And it's actually a lot, most of them are paid, right? So if you would like go to any of the normal sections, you would see that most of the stuff is just hidden behind the paywall. Oh, I'm actually logged in. I have bought this whole package, but the pricing is not really that funny. I think it's like, what is it, like 300? Yeah, 350. That's a lot. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try to rebuild something like this. And now I've been able to do it. Look at this. Look at this. I've built this with Bolt in React AI. First of all, look at how gorgeous it is, how beautiful it is. And I made it work. It took me 3 days, but look at this. Here, this is an example. The example itself is still ugly, but here, I made it work. Copy, go to a website, paste, and there it is. It works. I'm still having one little issue here, but like, this is sick, guys. So I have literally just created a working prototype of what these companies have also been doing, Skelementor and the other one. And so now I can build a library with templates. Again, these are all ugly. This was just testing material, but I can just put these templates out there. And then everybody from the community can use them, and you guys can even contribute. Okay, you can tag here on the left, or filter based on tags. That's also not something that the other application has. So inside of my post, I have to log in first. Wait, let me just quickly log in. Come on, refresh. Uh-oh. Yeah, whatever. You can tag it. You get the point. You can tag it with different tags, and then you can filter it here. You can even like go to a different view if you want to, view it in a bigger way. Search doesn't work yet, but I've built this without writing one line of code. Okay, so this method, this method we are gonna use to build a color palette generator. Okay. First, let me quickly check the comments. Does it use WordPress in the background? No, that's the beauty. There's no WordPress. It's just built on React. It's a different coding language. WordPress is built on PHP. But this application is built on React. That makes it very smooth, makes it very fast. You don't have all of the stuff from WordPress that you don't need. But I'm of course gonna try, I mean that's a plan, to also make it available as a plugin, but then that the data is not stored in the plugin, but in the database, and therefore it doesn't bloat your website. It just has to load a little bit. For when you want to make changes. Yeah, so I've created a login page. It doesn't work right now, the login, for some reason, but I can make changes, and I'm gonna try to build it in a way where you guys can also use it. Gonna get it for free. Yeah, it's not available yet, okay? It's not available yet. The empty section looks... Yeah, I know, it's a test. I'm gonna make it beautiful, trust me. Do you think page builders in WordPress are gonna be dead in 5 years? Yeah, I mean, it's an interesting conversation. It's really interesting, but I'm not gonna get to conclusions. We're just gonna build, and then we're gonna go to conclusions. Jamie is here, following you since Hoe gaat dat? My old channel, since 2014. Great seeing you growing up, but also still being the same, Rita. Nice, Jamie. Thank you for your support. Let the man finish it first. Yes, Dennis, thank you. Okay, so now I want to build a color palette generator. Okay, so what I've been doing is I have been building my design course. Okay, so as many of you know, I've been working on a design course. So let me just switch to Chrome. On the Living with Pixels website, you can see that the Figma design course is here. It's in pre-sale now. It's gonna close soon because we're gonna move to a new platform. But in this course, I'm teaching a lot of things. I will show you a little preview, but I'm basically teaching design. And one of the things that I teach is that you should create a good color palette, because that's a very important element of web design. Okay, and you need a system for that. You can just add colors until it looks good, but that's chaotic and it will probably not look good. And what I realized by making all of this course material is that for most websites, you don't need that big of a palette. And so the minimum palette that you need is something like this. 2 light colors, 2 base brand colors, and 2 dark colors. This is the minimum, okay? Not what you need always. Sometimes you need more, but the point that I'm making in my course is that you have like light colors for backgrounds, but that can also be used as colors on the dark backgrounds for typography, and the other way around. You have like hovers, you have primary buttons, and so things repeat throughout the website. So here's another example of, I think, a very beautiful website. But I've analyzed this, and it only has that same color palette, like 6 or 8 colors. It's not a lot. So that's what I'm teaching in my course. And then I tried to give my audience a way to make a palette themselves. So I gathered some resources for them, okay, for the course. So where can you make a color palette, right? Where can you get inspiration? So I started looking online, and then I saw this color palette. You can create a color palette, and this is all good. You can like open it and see the colors and easily copy it, but this doesn't really work for websites. Because for websites you need like a few light and a few dark. This works for graphic design, but not really for the web. You need, you always need like lighter colors. Here, this for example, this is not gonna work because you don't have a dark enough color for your headings, right? So let me open another example. Here, this one is a little bit better. you can create your palette, and they do actually offer a website example here. So here you can see an app, and then where do we have the website? Where is it? I think it was here. Oh, here we see some UI elements. Oh, here. Okay, here we can see a website, like a hero section. And then if you would change the color palette here, this still kind of like works. But some of the color combinations are just not so good for the web. It's actually all black. You see that? They've actually fixed it now. It was worse before, where the colors of the text would change. So now they've just defaulted it to black in order to keep the contrast good. But that's of course not really what you want. You want it to blend into the website and not just change the colors around it. So this is also more like a graphic design palette creator, in my opinion. It's not really for the web. And then I have one more as an example. This one is better. So start the generator. But this one has the same problem as the first one. It's more made for a graphic design. And then I should have one more example, which I forgot to include here. There's one more website. Do you guys know which one it is? It's like web design, color palette. But that one is too big in my opinion. Which one is that? Ah, that was a good example, but no, not Adobe Color Wheel. What was the one? There was one great one where you would see like a little bit of like an interface. Do you guys know? That one was actually better. Yeah, Reloom. I know Reloom, but I'm looking for that website. I'm looking for that website. Oh shit! I didn't prepare that. Do you guys know there was one website that had like where you could generate, wait, color palettes, branding generator. Which one was it? Oh, scheisse. No. Wait, let me ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT knows. Wait, can I use my microphone at the same time while we're doing a stream? Hey, do you know that website where you could generate a color palette and then you could see the result in different graphic elements? Okay, could you guys still hear me? Because I'm using my microphone now for 2 applications. Is it still good? Yeah, Toby. Recording a video at the moment. Saw Reno's live and thought to jump in. Interesting stuff here. How you doing, man? I'm doing good, Toby. How are you? I'm doing really good. Real-time colors? Oh, have you guys found it? Wait, what does ChatGPT say? Palette maker, color magic, color man. Okay, you guys say real-time. Let's try to find it. Real-time colors. Was it this one? Oh, this one was also one, but was this the one that I meant? I don't know. This is the best one for sure. But there was one with a website or kind of like a preview. Okay, but this one is also great. You can like... oh, this is dark mode, but you can change it like that. This one is also great. But you see, the text stays pretty dark. And what I often like to do is like make the main heading and the text a little blend in a little bit more. Like text should not have one color. This is too dark for the body text. It's probably just black now. Yeah, it's very close. It's pretty black, but the body text should be a little bit more soft. So that's what I teach, like in my course. Like I have this palette. The color for the body font should be a little bit softer, and then the heading font should be a little bit darker. But if you make that into a color that's based on the main brand color instead of just using black, then everything blends in together. It's still dark, the contrast is still good enough, because of course we should keep it accessible, but it just blends in nicely. And so this website is pretty good, but what I would want is a palette that doesn't contain too many colors, and it's basically, it gives you a quick preview. So here the bar is here at the bottom, but I just want to be able to have like an editor window over here, and then like a preview window over here, so that you can really easily like change your color palette. Okay, let me quickly check the chat, because I hope there was one more. ChatGPT knows everything, right? Wait, let's see if ChatGPT also said something else. These images and hex code palette maker. Wait. Oh, was it maybe a part of this website? Tools. Was it maybe a part? Interesting. Mobile and app. Oh, I see. Shuffle the colors. Yeah, pretty good. But here again, it doesn't have the dark colors because the typography is not included. That's what most of these palette makers have. They don't include the 4 most important colors, which is the heading on dark and on black, and then the body on dark and on black. Wait, did I say dark and black? I mean dark and light. So yeah, I just want to create my own. Let's try if we can do this, right? That will be really cool. So what we need to do, we first need to have some kind of interface, right? And even for that, I want to use AI. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit addicted with AI. But let me quickly check like the palette visualizer, because I'm still looking for one example. Okay, ChatGPT, give me one more option, Color Magic. Let's also take a look at that. So I'm looking at all these different options, guys, because we need to have inspiration and we need to write a super good prompt that we're going to feed into Bolt, so that Bolt knows exactly what to do. So this is not just me being distracted, okay? We're doing research right now, okay? So let's say that we want to put in a color here. By the way, this is also something like it should have a color picker here instead of just putting in the hex code. But okay, let's say that we're gonna add some color. What is the hex code that I want, that I need? Let's see. I'm just checking in Figma because I'm just needing my own color in here. Okay, so let's say that this is my hex code. Just gonna paste it in here, generate a color palette. This is actually something like I want. Yeah, it should be as easy as this, but then don't open it in a new screen. It should be on the right, and then it should contain dark colors, and then I want to have a preview of how it looks in the website. This is made more for development, as you can see. So I want something like this. This one is pretty good. So we can also just make a design in Figma, but we're just gonna describe it in an AI tool. Okay, so I have another trick up my sleeve, and that is that we now also have AI. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. My back hurts. Oh, yeah, I've been sitting too much. It's not good. So hallelujah. Oh. You see, this is not a YouTube video. I will cut this part out. Do you guys also sit too much? Oh, so, hello. Do you have the paid GPT? Yeah, I do. It's totally worth it for me. Do you leave the stream on so I can watch it later? Yeah. Sure. You can go back to work and you can watch it later. This link will automatically convert into a rewatch. Rick is here. He says, try this one. Okay. Oh, he's gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I need to go to the gym because I have such a lot of pain in my back. Oh my god. It's not good. Oh. I am dying to know what streaming software you use. I use Ecamm Live. It's not, let me show you. It's not the prettiest software, but it has a lot of features which I need. No, not this one. That's a competitor. This one. They always try to trick you with these Google ads, huh? As you can see, it's even the website. It's a bit cheap. It doesn't look that great, but it has so many features. It is not cheap though. Like I said, I think I have this plan, or I think I paid for the annual of this one. So you have to pay like almost 400, but then you have it for a full year. Yeah, for me it's worth it. I don't know, it was a bit painful to buy, but okay, so we can now generate whole UIs with AI as well. So instead of going into Figma and then trying to build from scratch or starting with a sketch, we can now also use AI to generate ideas for the UI. And there's actually quite a bit of tools. So it's not just generative code anymore, right? There's also generative design now. I have more links, which I want to show you. Here, this one. You can even paste in a screenshot and then say design something like that. I haven't tested most of these tools, I have to be honest, so I also want to do this live with you. I think it will be fun. Yeah, you can literally just screenshot and then it will convert it. It's insane. I don't know if it's gonna work well. This is one of the first ones that I found. Wait, let me fix my chair. Oh yeah, okay. Let me put my desk a little bit up. Okay. Gen AI. Here, look. It's literally generating an interface based on a prompt. And I don't have paid options for any of these tools, but what I want to do is I just want to use the prompts and see what it puts out. And then once I'm happy with something, I'm going to feed that into Bolt. So we're going to use AI to design and then use AI to code. It's going to be really interesting, this stream. I am very excited. Here's another one that I found. Also a generator. I don't know how they do it. It's insane. So yeah, we're just gonna start. But of course, we also need to work a little bit organized. Okay. So I'm just gonna spin up a Google document where we can make some notes. I have to say I use Notion for everything in my life right now. But I don't want to open Notion right now because everything in my business is in there. So I'm just gonna create a Google Doc and we're just gonna work in there. Let's see, and in the meantime, let's check the comments before we're really gonna start. Do you know how to use Make? Yeah, you mean the automation software? I use Make. Umint? Oh, maybe that's the one that I meant. Let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna say color palette creator or generator with Bolt AI. Okay. So let's just start organized. Okay. What is the features that we at least want? I think it's easy if you can, whoa, What was that sound? Did you guys hear that? Oh, my camera is 20% remaining. I don't need this camera. Just stop it. Sorry. I want to start with a brand color because I think that's how most website projects start. There's already one brand color, maybe a color from the logo, and from there on you're gonna work. You're not just gonna click randomize until you find something. That's like, it's fun that it's possible, but it's more like an amateur way of working in my opinion. So I'm gonna start with a brand color. So it should start with input field for one color. Generate a 6 color palette based on that one brand color. Contrast checker should be built in. A preview window with a fake or example website where you can see the color palette in action. This website should include a dark background hero section, followed by a light background services section, followed by a branded color call to action section. We're gonna improve this prompt with ChatGPT. I always do that as well. Like I put my my idea about what I want to say to the AI in ChatGPT first, and I ask, can you improve this prompt? So we're gonna also do that. Yeah, we're using so many AI tools. It's so cool. Preview window on the right. Left panel should include that. Should then generate that. Contrast checker and a right panel. Yeah, let's just type it like this because the formatting is probably going to be ruined. Okay, maybe something like this. Oh, I love this song. Really cool. Let's check the comments in the meantime. Contrast checker both via WCAG2, but also I have no idea what that means, Jamie. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, let's go to the other websites to see some of the features. No, not this one, but the color palette also not this one. The color palette website. Oh yeah, of course, it should have some kind of way to copy the hex codes. So input field for one color that generates a 6 color palette based on that one brand color. The 6 color palette should visually show a preview of the colors and should also show the hex codes so that you can easily copy them. Let's do that contrast checker later. I think that's gonna be a problem in the beginning. Sometimes I've also learned like you shouldn't ask too much in the beginning. You should be clear. A list of features is okay, because otherwise you're gonna have to prompt a lot in the beginning. But don't make it too complex. And I think that contrast checker is one of the things that could mess it up. I've been playing with this like for 3 weeks, so I have some experience now. Okay, what else? This is interesting that you can change it like that. Yeah, I like that idea. I'm just gonna write that down as extra features like brightness, saturation, sliders to adjust the palette. Yeah, we don't need that. Yeah, that's also a nice gradient. That's optional. Create a gradient based on brand color. Yeah, that's optional. I don't really need that. But it would be nice. That's it. That's what this is doing. Oh, you can even save the palette, but then you probably have to like log in somewhere. Okay, now it's saved somewhere in your color palette from image. Oh, this one also has a contrast checker built in. Oh, you see? Yeah, something like this. Let's also make some screenshots. This is actually a very simple and good UI. I'm just gonna put some screenshots in here. And then, what was the input field here? I wanna just start in here. I think something like this would also be great to start with. Yeah. We're getting somewhere. We're preparing, guys. We're preparing. How do we start in this one? Yeah, I don't like that the homepage is this. Like, I want to start right away. Yeah, like this. This is pretty cool. Or did we also start somewhere else? No. Okay, this is also cool. Dark mode is not needed because we're going to do that immediately. Oh, you can even set up your fonts here. Oh, that's cool. You can select a different font. Oh, that's also really cool. Okay, that's an optional feature. Select the font on the preview website. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I'm just gonna put this into ChatGPT and see what it says. Let's go to, wait, you guys should see ChatGPT. Yeah, okay. So I'm now gonna prompt ChatGPT. Did I already say it? Okay. Hey, I want to create a color palette generator that makes it easy for web designers to start with a branded color, and then it puts out a 6-color palette. One of the colors should be a little bit darker than the brand color that people put in. And then there should be 2 lighter colors. One for lighter backgrounds and one for backgrounds that are a little bit darker, but still light. And then also 2 dark colors. One for headings, which are dark, and one for body fonts, which is a little bit lighter. But all of the colors should stay in the tint of the color that you started out with. That's the brand color, which has a very high hue saturation. Okay, let's see. This is how I spend my days. I'm just talking to AI. Let's see. Let's just generate this. Well, I'm looking at the chat. Contrast checker both also. Okay. Accessibility rules uses bad way of calculating contrast. A huge improvement on is called APCA. Oh, okay. Which will probably be used in the new. Oh, okay. So I should say that it should include APCA. I see. Wait, what is it doing? I didn't ask it to code. Wait. ChatGPT, relax. Relax, ChatGPT. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna use you, ChatGPT. I know you're excited. I like the previews in UI color by Erik de Vries. Yeah, can you show that, Flores? Can you like post a link somewhere? Perhaps instead of Hex RGBA. Yeah, I want to use Hex because I'm working in Figma. Right? It's like to help me set up a Figma project. See, primary color instead of brand color. You're right, that's better. But what is ChatGPT doing? Like, what is going on here? Okay, let's see what he has. What he did. Let's build a color palette generator that takes a single brand. Okay. While retaining the original hue and high saturation. Yeah. One brand color. Darker version of brand color. Lighter background. Mid-light background. Oh my god. I have no idea if he understands what I'm doing. Adjust only the lightness to get tints. Yeah. I didn't even paste my feature list yet, and he's already building. I didn't ask that. It's insane. Yeah. That's what I should do. Okay. Generated palette, brand color, original. Let's code it. Your palette generator is ready. Nah, it's amazing. Add a website UI. Okay, let's check it. We're gonna click run. Let's see what it's doing. Is there a preview here? I think ChatGPT had a preview, right? Where is the visual preview? Like, he has coded something. I thought there was a console. Add a web UI. No, I just wanna, okay. Well, okay, let me just... Well, you already started coding it, but I already wrote a list of features. So I want you to first analyze that feature list, and then I want you to ask me questions before you start coding to make sure you truly understand what I'm saying. You'll be the real MVP. Yeah, exactly. It's a Python script, no preview. Oh, okay. All right, so here is the feature list. Features. And then I'm also going to import what Jamie said. Wait, what did Jamie say? Did the music stop? Okay, let's switch to... No, I'm just going to start it over. What did Jamie said? Please follow the APCA guidelines for color contrast. Also, I don't want you to code. I want you to help me write a very detailed prompt so I can feed this into other AI. Into another AI. I hope ChatGPT doesn't feel bad. Yeah. Okay, let's see what it comes up with now. So we didn't ask it to code. We didn't want that. We just want the prompt, okay? Let's break down your requests. Detailed AI front. Okay, left panel. Palette creator, yeah. Output, original brand, slightly darker. Contrast, very light, mid-light. Dark. Yeah, this is good. Retain your original hue. Yeah. Contains a preview sample, yeah. Hero section, yeah. Yeah. Advanced perceptual contrast algorithm. Okay, questions here. This is what I want. Ask me some questions to improve the prompt. Should users be able to paste in any hex code? Should a color picker also be viable? A hex code input field would be a great start, but I definitely want a color picker as well. I don't know if that's a good enough answer, but we'll see. Should change the update? Yes, please. Update live. Should users be able to toggle light and dark? No toggle light dark needed. 3. Should the hex code cop have copy to clipboard icon? Wait. I could just better copy this, that's better. Yes. Sure. That makes it easier. 4. Should we auto adjust text colors to meet contrast warm or warm if not? Yes. Yes, it should have a good contrast. Yes. Sure. Let's see. Layout and design. Single page without responsive web UI. So it'd be a single page layout. A single page layout. Yeah, sure. Let's start with something easy, right? Preferred AI library. Yeah, I like Tailwind. So let's use Tailwind CSS. So many questions. Ah. Uh-oh. GPT made you a Python script to convert your hacked photo to HTML. Oh, okay, okay. No. It's good to tell for current laws. Okay, sure. Okay, let's continue with the questions. Oh, I'm a little bit sick, guys. I'm sorry for all the sounds. So you should be able to download the color palettes. No, not needed. 7. Would you include a georegenerate balance? Yes. Yes. Okay, but now I have just need to adjust this one so it's like a clear clear instructions. Okay. I will generate a very detailed script. Okay, thank you. This is what we need. Let's see. Now it's going to create a detailed script. We don't need the code. And then we're going to paste that into first a UI tool, and then we're going to paste it into Bolt. I'm very, very curious. But now it's, of course, already including code language or code instructions. So now I'm just going to ask it one more time to generate a prompt specially made for UI tools. And then I'm going to use this original prompt for Bolt once we're ready with the screenshot from the UI AI tool. Yeah. Yeah, okay, JavaScript. I see. Would you like me to generate? No, thank you. Okay, so basically, maybe we can just use this. Yeah, we could just use this. Okay. Now we're gonna go to our Chrome again. And let's paste our prompt. Hello. Oh my god, come on. Oh my goodness, I do not like... Oh, it's so annoying. Like, how can I click... Oh my god, I do not like the way Google Docs handles text. Come on. Can I just paste some text in here? Can you just go away, please? Yeah, thank you. Come on. Okay, so this prompt, it's using, we don't need to using Tailwind CSS, allows users to generate, the layout should be okay. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna use this script and to put it in one of these AI tools to generate a app. Let's just try. I have never tried this one. I'm just gonna dump in the whole thing. Oh, the whole layout is messed up. Ooh, is this gonna work? Wait, did it mess up the layout? Oh, here. I'm a little bit scared. just want to put in a little bit of formatting, otherwise I'm scared that it will be messed up. Or should I not just do it? Okay, you know what? YOLO. Why? Oh. Okay. Let's make an account. Of course, they want you to make an account. Of course. Hey, come on. Come on. There's no free version? Or is this just a dashboard? I think there's a free version, right? Let's try. Sometimes you just have to click away. No screens available yet. Okay, this one is not working. Okay, I just signed up for something that is not working, but that's fine. We're not losing hope. Hey Bjorn, welcome to the stream. We are trying to design an app. We just created a whole prompt together with, wait, I'm gonna copy it again. Together with ChatGPT, our friends at ChatGPT. And now we're gonna put that prompt into an AI builder, AI designer to see if we can generate a design for free. Yeah. Let's just do Google again. I'm a UX designer. Where did I find you guys? YouTube. Finish. Okay, let's see. I am very curious. What's gonna happen? I think my prompt is pretty okay. Oh, I think this one is actually coding. Uh-oh. Yeah, oh, this is a development tool. This is like Bolt. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. Have you guys used this one? Where are the comments? Have you guys used an AI UI tool yet already or no? Have you guys used Lovable or Bolt? I know some of my viewers have. I got some DMs today when I shared that I was gonna do this live. You know what? In the meantime, let's just go to another one. Is this one free? Let's first check it out. Here, we get 2 projects for free. Okay, that's good. A million ideas, 1 tool. Okay, yeah. Let's just start in an artboard, I guess. Can we just, here, text to design. There we go. Website, web app, beta. Entire app, single screen. Entire web app. Okay, we're gonna paste our same... Oh. Uh-oh. Why is it so short? 1,000... Wait, okay. Now we need to go to ChatGPT again. Make the prompt less than 1,000 words for one specific tool, please. Nah, he doesn't have to know that. In the meantime, MagicPatterns.ai is cooking up an app for us. I cannot wait to paste it in Bolt. Oh, I want to. But I first want to have a little design. It's good that I'm testing this, right? Okay, let's see if ChatGPT has generated a prompt. Yes. Oh, here. Accessibility, we don't have to include that for our design. So let's go back. Oh, this one has an error. That's fine, we're just gonna fix it. This one, we're just gonna paste it in here. It doesn't do that. Like, why? It's not even 1,000 words. That's not good. Controls, wait. Controls. How? How is it thinking that it's like... Maybe because of the emojis? Do you guys see what I'm doing wrong? This is not 1,000 words. Oh, no, it is. Controls. Nah, this is a bit weird. This panel is also so small. What can I do here? I just need a few more words. Okay, you know what? Make it even shorter, please. I just want to test out this AI tool. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT to make it even shorter. I don't know. 1,000 character limits. Oh, not 1,000 words. Oh, I see. Jamie's using cursor, yeah. But I'm a dev, yeah. See, if you're a dev, then it's totally fine. Try Bold, Relume, and Lovable. Very nice, Lex. I also tried Bold, Relume, and... Oh, I haven't tried Lovable. Let's also try Lovable. I used an AI tool 1.5 years ago. Yeah, but 1.5 years ago, it's insane. Like, seriously, this month, so many updates have come. I have to check out Lovable. Yeah, it's pretty lovable. Yeah. I wanna do Lovable as well. This AI is getting pretty interesting. I built an online video in 15 minutes, still writing normal codes for this month. I never finished. God of AI. Okay, wait. AI. Wait. It has to be less than 1,000 characters. Hello? Characters, not words. Yeah, let's see. Okay. This, I don't like it. That it's like only like such a short prompt. But let's try the short prompt. Is it a good prompt? Build a responsive one-page web app using Tailwind left panel, hex panel. Let's just try, okay? I'm just gonna copy that code from ChatGPT. We're gonna go back to Chrome. And we're just gonna paste it in here, in another website. I have also pasted it in here. Generate now for 150. 500 credits left. Is that for free? Right? Okay, so it's telling you how much credit it is. Let's just generate it. Let's see what it's gonna do. Come on, I want to see some results. Let's go to the other one. What has happened here? Ah, it's not showing anything. It's not. I think it has an error. Ah, that's so bad. Oh, this looks like a website, not a web app. Oh, I also should sign up Google for this one. Let's try. And then I have one last one, which is this one. Pricing. 90 credits, up to 15 screens. Okay, we can also try this one. Start for free. I'm making so many accounts. I'm gonna be bombarded with email marketing after this. By the way, what you're seeing here on the screen is my personal email. Do not use that to contact me. I will delete it immediately. I have emails for contact, which is not that one. You can easily find contact information about me online. What is this? How did you hear about us? How about YouTube? How about YouTube? I actually heard here other YouTube. Continue for free. They always hide that button, eh? Let's generate your first design. Yeah, let's do it. Create a new design file. Loading. Okay. Let me just copy my script again. Design mode. Choose hi-fi. Yeah, please hi-fi. Add a prompt. No, I don't want to paste that prompt. I have my own prompt. Generate. Let's do it. I like the UI of this one. Very clean. This one also looks like it's easy. Works well with preview mode. Okay, let's in the meantime check out our other platforms. Okay, what do we have? Add to board. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we have something. Finally, finally. Let's zoom in. It's like Figma. Unlock your brand's perfect palette. What the F is this image? This is like what generation text generation was like a year ago. Input your brand color. Okay, this is something we can use, I guess. Okay, not too bad. It's showing buttons. Adjust lightness. Okay. Oh, then it like outputs it like this. This is not too bad. We can kind of like use this. Lock individual swatches. Okay, it has used way too many screens. It should stay in one screen. Let's just try. Like great designs, but I want it to be in one screen, not a 5-step setup. Can you combine all of them in one screen, like a real web app? Let's see. Let's check out the other one. Ah, this one keeps failing. That's so sad. Let's check out this one before we get started. I have read it, but I don't want your emails. What kind of work do you do? Oh, come on. UI design. What am I? Teacher? Yeah, I'm a teacher. Why not? As a teacher in UI design, what are you planning? Work, personal, education. Main study subject. Well, I study design, for sure. No, thank you. No email. What did you hear about? Why do they all want to know this? What do you want to achieve? Come on. Free, thank you. Select your design. Oh. Huh? Should select all of them? I want to select all of them. What is... Oh wait, is there a preview available? No, are you serious? That would be really cool. Wow, that's cool. It's like a mock-up. It doesn't work. Ah. I mean, at least we can do something. Wait, can we put an Xcode here? No. Okay, these are 3 sections. It's not what I meant though, but it's pretty cool. Huh, let's check the other one. Welcome to UI Zart. Yeah, thank you. I just want to like do something. Generated with Auto Designer. Yeah. Oh, here it's already. My prompt's already in there. Desktop. Generate a style. Okay. Let's do light, modern, taggy, young. Very interesting. With this one, we could also select a style, which I think is very good. Okay, it's now generating the screens. As it looks like it's also generating like a 5-step setup, which I didn't ask for. Hey, Imran, you're here. I've been silently watching and working on a few vibing solutions as I do. But got to jump off now. You're doing well right now. For those that have never gone deep into AI coding, it's fun and painful. Yeah, it is. Nice that you're here, Imran. But yeah, of course, you probably have lots of things to do. So, but nice that you're here and leaving a comment, Imran. Yo, Dennis says, yo. Okay. What do we have here? Let's see. Oh, that's ugly. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's really ugly. What the F is this? What in the world? This looks so like 2001. Oh my goodness, this is a whole dashboard. Nobody asked for this graph. What's going on? You know what? I'm starting to think that maybe we can skip this step and go straight to our like UI, my other UI tool. Oh, what about this one? UX Pilot. Hey, this is starting to get better. Brand color. Yeah, something like this. Hey, this is interesting. Okay. So the idea is you put your brand color in here. We have a hex code and a color picker, and then it generates a design here on the right. Actually quite cool. I didn't think about this, that it could be, that this panel could be super like small. Maybe a little bit bigger if we're gonna have a whole palette here, but maybe it can be like this. Yeah. Yes, this is the first one I'm happy with. UX Pilot. Well done. Standard mode, 6 credits. Oh, we still have quite a bit of credits left on the free plan. That's pretty cool. So I only have created one design. What do you guys think about this one? That's ugly. Yeah, Dennis, you were talking about the other one, right? The other one. Perhaps can you find something in Tailwind? Yeah, I am. I'm gonna use the instruction for Tailwind inside of Bolt, but I just want to have like what some kind of example. You will see the new stuff next week. Imran, I think we should talk about products, you know, us going into products. Maybe we can do like a product show off. You show me what you built, I show you. In a, I don't know. I don't want to put something on your plate, but I'm just excited about this. Dennis says yes, exactly. Okay, so for this one, I want to adopt it. I want to adjust it a little bit. Try to adjust it, but first, let me just save this for Figma. Can we do that? No, it's a premium feature. Okay, so we're just gonna at least make a screenshot of this, so that we at least have that. Clear canvas. No. Center view. Can we improve it? Oh, you can create a new screen. Edit screen further. Global edit. Okay, now we can prompt it more. So let's also just ask AI. Oh, we can zoom out a little bit more to make a better screenshot. You know what? We're gonna ask ChatGPT. This is fun. This is fun. So okay. Hey ChatGPT, I have generated a design with a UI tool, and it looks quite good, but I think it's missing a few features. Can you analyze what's missing based on my original prompt, and then suggest a prompt that I can feed back into that AI tool about the missing features so that it can improve the UI design? This is so cool. And then of course I'm gonna paste my my image, C image, and let's see what it says. Yeah. Sounds good. Okay, Imran. I think that's cool. I hope I will get a color palette generator, and I already created 2 tools. Did you see my Elementor templates website in the beginning of this stream? I think you will really like that. I think you will really like that. Okay. Let's see what ChatGPT says. But really awesome, Imran. Let's stay in touch and let's plan something soon. Like we are in different time zones now, so we should plan it a little bit better. For me, it's evening now. I don't know what time you stream during the day, but let's chat. We have each other's contact information. Okay, thanks. I reviewed your UI screenshot. Here's a breakdown of what's included and what's missing. Okay, yeah. Headline, featured cards. What do you mean featured cards? Tailwind, modern. Okay, missing. Yeah, there's no 6 colors, exactly. Add missing UI features. Okay. Oh, it even has put it under 1,000 characters. Okay. Huh. Like a duo stream. Yeah, maybe that's cool. I did. Okay. Thank you, Imran. Let me check my WhatsApp. Oh, probably Twitter then? Ah, whatever. I will find it out. Let's see Okay, let's see if I paste this in here, what will happen. Okay, this is not gonna be super easy. It will cost us 6 credits, but we already took a screenshot of the original design, so if it really messes things up, then we can we still have the screenshot. Output settings, you can select either the design mode. Oh, okay, I didn't check that. Desktop, yes, okay. Design requirements, yes. It did not update at all. Advanced, create a flow. Okay, that's interesting. You can do different flows. Standard model. Hello? What's the difference? Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry, I was still in ChatGPT. I forgot to switch the live stream. Okay, it has generated a new one. But nothing really has changed. You know what? I'm just gonna put the original ChatGPT prompt. The original one. Into this. Let's see if it's put something out. Generate. Sorry, I'm gonna switch again. It's now generating version. Is it generating now? Reference. Oh, we can even upload a picture as a reference. Wait, maybe we can use. Which one was kind of good? Let's just pick an image from here. Yeah. I should spend more time in this. Time is going so fast. Come on, generate. Yes, okay, so I'm just gonna put in an image here. Like, let's just start simple with this one. Let's see if we can put in an image, and then I'm gonna go to bold, guys. So I'm taking way too long. Oh, also this one is also pretty good. Yeah, I actually think I like this one more. Can I zoom in? Come on. Let's go back. Can I just paste into that screen? That would be really cool. Not this ugly one, but this one. Can I just paste in here, or will that crash my whole application? No, it doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. We just need to create a screenshot of this. And then we're just gonna go in here. We should generate a screen as reference. No, upload. Oh, okay, maybe not. So we're just gonna click generate. If this doesn't work, we're gonna go to Bolt. I'm already streaming for 1.5 hours. The time goes so fast. Unbelievable. Deep design. Yeah, because this one doesn't seem to do a lot. Generate. Am I not doing it correctly? Am I burning through my... Let's go to wireframes. Let's try that. Maybe that will create something else. Let me refresh this one. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh, hey. Oh, I should scroll down. It didn't give me any feedback. That's not good. That's not good UX. Even though I like this tool so far, it has created something here. This one design I actually like better with the gray panel here on the left. Yeah, okay. It's still generating these two. Oh my god, I burned through my credits. This one is kind of okay, but it just needs to have like dark and the light sections over there. Yeah, this is kind of good. I just wish it would be, yeah, like this. This is what I meant here on the right side, something like this. And then it should just have the 6 colors here at the bottom. And then I'm happy. Yes, hey, this is good. I like this tool. So far the best. UX Pilot AI. This is what I meant. Yes, it generates 6 colors. This is very close to what I wanted. Wow, I am super happy. This is perfect feeding material for Bolt. Okay, now we can go to Bolt. Oh, let's do this. This is cool. Can I save it for Figma? No, that was Pro, huh? Yeah, that was Pro. I'm not a Pro yet. Okay. Let's now go to Bolt. I bought new credits this today. So let's start a new project, start a new chat. Oh, we're already here. Can we also upload a file? Yes. So let's upload that picture. And then let's go to ChatGPT. And of course for ChatGPT now, I'm gonna ask it could you write a detailed prompt that I can directly paste into Bolt? Check the original description we already created and use my image of the UI as a reference to make the new prompt better. Okay, this is gonna be challenging, I think, for ChatGPT, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna paste the original prompt in here. Here is the original prompt. Make sure he really understands it. With ending it with commas. And then here is the UI I'm thinking about. See image. Okay, so now we're gonna add also this image in here. Can we just drag it from my desktop? I think we can. Yeah, of course we can. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. We're getting so close, guys. We're getting really close to having something. This is really cool. Let me quickly check my WhatsApp. Okay. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I wanted to do the other live stream this week with UI Chemie, but now like I have tested these UI tools, AI UI tools, so I think now I'm better prepared even for next week. Okay, build a responsive single-page web app, Tailwind CSS that uses generate 6 color. Yes, yes. Right panel, yeah. Yeah, now it's a more detailed prompt that we can paste into Bolt. I am so happy. I think this is gonna create a very cool result. I just quickly want to check. Well, this is generating. Are you guys enjoying it? I haven't chatted a lot with you guys because I'm so busy trying to figure this out. Are you enjoying it? I know not everybody places a comment. Just press the like. I can see that. If you don't want to comment, I understand. Not everybody wants that. Just let me know. I think you guys are because there's still people watching. Same amount. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. Yeah. Vanilla GS, React, or Vue. No, we're just gonna use Tailwind, but I already said that in the intro, so I don't think we need to say that at the end. Okay, now it's gonna be fun, guys. Really, really cool. We're gonna paste this one in here. Here, you see the Bolt. Oh, sorry. Chrome. Yeah, okay. We're gonna paste this one in here. As you can see, the formatting also in the chat of Bolt is great compared to the other ones. And then for the design, check the image as a reference. This is, yeah, whatever. Okay, we're gonna try. Let's go with Bolt. Come on. Upload the screenshot. Yeah. I did. The brand color and stuff for primary accent. Yeah, I should. I think it's fine. I think it understands it. The other two also understood it. There's like brand color. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. And soon we're gonna switch to the preview tab. Sometimes I just like to watch this. It's like therapy. Seeing the code being generated. Knowing you can just sit back and relax. Take a sip of your drink. While the AI is doing all the work. And again, this is just for fun. This is not a real project, not a real client project where I'm letting the AI do everything. This is just a fun project. So it's generating all of these files in here on the back, on the side. And soon we will be able to take a look at the preview. I can already try to click on it, but often when it's generating, yeah, there's no preview available yet. So we should just wait a little bit. You can also, by the way, link a Figma file in there. Then it's even better. But since I'm using the free version of UX Pilot, I don't have access to the Figma file. But this is actually a Figma file because you can export it. I mean, I guess that's what they do. Let's see. What is their pricing? Now I'm actually interested. Wait, uxpilot.ai. Let me just go to their website and just type in pricing. It's probably this page. No, it's not. Okay. Let's see. Oh, no. Hey. Wait, where's the pricing? Upgrade. Oh, here. $12 a month. No, I want this one. Up to 70 screens, 15 screens. Okay. It's not super cheap though. It's not super cheap, but I like this one the most so far. Okay, let's go back to Bolt. Let's see. Hey! It's still running. It's still running. Oh, this is so cool. Is it done already? Yeah, it's done. Oh, 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 oh. Oy, 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 oy. And this... Oh, this... Oh, it even shows like the color contrast in here. And the icons. Okay, this one is not so great, but like... Look at that. Does this work? Copy? Copied. And then does it paste... Does it paste the... Wait, for example, if copy this one. Does it then paste in here? Yeah, it actually does that. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so now let's test it out. We're gonna go to Figma and we're gonna pick a color. Let's just like pick even another color. Like what is a crazy color? Something like, let's say that this is your brand color. It's very intense. Let's say this is your brand color, okay? So we're just gonna copy that hex code. We're gonna go back to Chrome. And we're gonna test it. Look at that. Look at that. This is what I mean, guys. Bold is amazing. It even has generated a header here. How it works, it doesn't work, of course. Oh, there's even a responsive thing built in. I didn't even ask. Look at that. This header section is not so great in terms of contrast. But now we can, oh, look at also the design is so good. Like Tailwind CSS, so good. But now we can like go with inspector and be like, this title should be the light background color. Should adopt the light background color. Yeah. Actually, it's not dark enough for me. And wait, actually, what color did it take? Oh, I didn't completely listen to my instructions. Or did it? Oh, this is the brand color. Wait. Oh, it should... Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, that's because... Okay, it's resetting. It's resetting. But at least this one did change to light background, mid background. Did I say light background? Yeah, I did. Okay. And then this body text... This body text should always adopt the mid background color. I don't know about you guys, but this is so cool. This is so cool, isn't it? The comments are lagging a little bit, I feel like. But this is so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna change the music. I want something more relaxed. Because I want to sleep soon. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, the button also. Hey, this button is different. Can we just select the text? Okay. The text in the button. Wait. The text in the button should adopt the light background color. We're just changing up a few things to make this work. And then also I wanted this background to be dark as well. Started out with a dark one. So let's also do that. This container should adopt the heading color. Yeah, the heading color. And then it should look a little bit more like a normal website. It's really cool actually. So if I would have known, yeah, this looks great. If I would have known that this AI tool would work from the beginning, we could have done this in an hour. Like literally, look at that. So let's open it in full screen. Yeah, it's great. It's also, the balance is great. It's like, this is like 30-40% white, and then this is enough to view a website. Maybe it can be even a little bit like, but oh, come on. Come on. Okay, this one is a little bit messed up. Can we do Can we do, okay. Let's just try to select this. It's still selected, isn't it? Yeah, okay. This container should wrap the sub-containers in it. The 3 sub-containers in it on mobile. Let's see if that works as well. Not that you really need a mobile view, but it's just cool that it's built in. It already works, so why not, right? Let's see. Okay, didn't break on desktop. I know on mobile, okay, that doesn't work, but that's fine. That's fine. I sometimes just click on undo because I don't know. Now it changed something, but it didn't work. So I'm like, now I'm scared, like what did it change? Oh, here. We also have the color picker here. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, we can already see a problem here, but this has probably to do with how colors work. RGB? Wait, AHSL. The hue should only change. Yeah. It's like if the hue is a little bit darker, then everything will be a little bit darker, you see? It's so cool, by the way, that it shows the code, the score in here for the contrast. So let's say that we make it really bad. Let's say that we make it too light. Then will it mess up? Yeah, okay, now it's saying here this is not good. So this is still good. I wouldn't consider this quite good. What do you guys think? This is not really good, like. Is this your brand color? That cannot be, right? Huh. Dark brands. Okay. Let's change. Like it doesn't perfectly work. So what I see is that now it works. It's like this blue and then this darker and then super dark. But like this one should just be a little bit darker than this one because it should be the hover essentially. Right? But it doesn't work when I change it from, I don't know. Yeah, okay. It's just the difference is a little bit too big between these two. So the dark brand color is actually used as a hover. Or do we also have links in here? No, we don't. Hover color inside of the buttons that contain the brand color as the main color. So can you apply that hover effect? So can you first apply the hover effect, then also make sure that the dark brand color is not how do I say this? Is not too dark. It should be just a little bit darker than the brand color. Okay, you can also, by the way, improve your prompt from here. It's really cool. Look at that. And then you can read it. So bold is actually improving your prompt, so you don't have to go back to ChatGPT. Yeah. Create a hover effect for buttons using the brand color as the base color and a slightly darker shade, dark brand, for the hover state. Yeah, the dark brand color should maintain visual harmony with the brand base color appearing just noticeably darker while preserving the overall color identity. Yeah. Amazing. Avoiding overly dramatic contrast between states. Let's see what it does. If it adds a hover color now on the button, because right now we don't have that, but I want to see that. Add a toggle to show. Hey, that's a good idea, Flores. Very good idea. Let me add that. Uh-oh. Yeah, now we have a problem. So sometimes what I do is I just copy this and I go to ChatGPT, but now we're first going to try to fix it before we ask help from ChatGPT. Sometimes it solves it by itself, sometimes takes a few tries. The artifact to fix the palette is not defined at all. Okay. Hey, look at that. It works. Here, see, it fixed itself. It fixed itself. The regenerate button can be removed because the preview is updated live. Another good comment, Flores. You have a good eye for this. Regenerate. Yeah, you're right. So you can also chat with Bolt. You can say like, do we really need the regenerate button since the website updates everything live? And then you click on this button and then you can like just discuss with it before it implements a change. So now it says, you're right. Since the palette updates live, the might not be necessary. Yeah, it's not necessary. This is always how I talk, right? They're always talking so politically correct. Okay. Well, that should be easy. I should not have any problem with that. Yeah, okay, so now that's clean. And what else did Flores say? So I forget. It's getting late. Oh yeah, add a toggle to hide. Yeah, okay. Could you please add a toggle to hide the APCA bubbles from the live preview, because it takes up quite a bit of space. Okay, let's improve that, because that prompt is probably not good enough. Create a user interface toggle button that allows users to show and hide, yeah, content in the live preview. Yeah, be clearly visible and easily accessible in the interface. Yeah, okay. Default to showing. Yeah. Maintain the current preview functionality. Yeah. Save the user preference for future sessions. No, we don't. I didn't ask for that. Include a clear label indicating its purpose. Show, hide. Yeah. Okay. Like I'm curious what it's gonna do there. Visual feedback, of course, that's always good. Transition, yeah. Maintain existency, okay. Maybe we can just put it right to the title. On the right side of the generate palettes text. Let's see if it does this. Can you guys read the left panel, by the way? You can also add a lot of stuff to it, like fonts. Yeah, good idea, Dennis. Let's try that as well, if this works. Add more colors. Yeah, that would be great. I mean, now it's just a simple one, right? But you do at some point want to add a secondary color. But we're just keeping it simple for now. But I do want to add more features, of course. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, let's see. Oh. Huh? It added this button, but what is that? I've implemented the contour checker toggle. Updated preview components to respective visibility settings. What? Why did it not work? But this button is okay. I would just call it something else. It didn't really listen, right, to what I said. Great. The button looks good, but it doesn't hide the green. Well, maybe I can select it here like this. The green APCA bubbles, like I asked you to do. Can you implement that? Okay, let's improve the prompt. To hide the button, to hide both the button itself and the. No, I didn't ask to hide the button. To hide the green bubbles when clicked. Yeah, all of them. To hide all of the green bubbles when clicked. Wait, maybe I should just like select this button now. The green FCS build should remain hidden until the button is clicked. Yeah. Ensure the toggle behavior works for smoothly for both showing and hiding elements. We'll see. We'll see what's happening now. And Flores has another comment. Let's see. It would be nice if each element in the live preview is clickable. For example, clicking the heading would copy its color. Clicking the button would copy the background. Yeah, or maybe like show somehow what color it used from the palette so that people can understand that colors are reused. Because that's what I want my audience to understand. That you should not create this huge palette. Like this is a problem with most UI palettes. They're just way too big. You know, something like this or something like this, and it all looks great, but when you have something like this, it is actually the example that I use in my course. If you have a color palette like this, like how are you gonna choose when you use what, right? It's way too hard, and this is great for when you have like a big app and with a lot of like states like warning and error and whatever. But like for most websites, you don't need that many colors. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to build this. Okay, we keep getting errors. Let's now try asked. Yeah, I don't know exactly. Okay, let's try one more time if you can fix it. If I cannot fix it, then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Shouldn't be too hard, right? It added those bubbles, so it should hide them. It's not a super hard, difficult functionality. Okay, we're back. Hey, it works. 2 fixes, you saw that? I had to click on fix 2 times. So we're not gonna give up that easily. Oh, it's not hiding everywhere. Only in 2 places it's still here. What the F? Okay, well, let's try. We pick another color. Contrast. Great. Okay. Interesting how that works. It's working now. Great. But it's still displaying in 2 containers. The one that says code export and the one that says live preview. Oh, that's confusing, isn't it? Basically the last 2 boxes inside of the our services section. I'm just gonna improve this prompt. I'm not sure about my prompt. I'm a little bit scared they will go wrong. What? Fix the layout of our services section by merging the code. What? I didn't ask that. Okay, now the AI prompt is not good. That's why I always copy it so that I have my original one. I think I didn't explain it right. Wait, guys. Okay, maybe you can help me. It's working now, great, but it's still displaying. The APCA bubbles in 2 containers. In the last 2 containers inside of our services section, can you also make sure those ones are hidden? I don't want to see any green bubbles anymore when that contrast button is clicked. Okay, let's try again. Prompt enhancer. Perhaps you can use absolute positioning so you don't get layout shifts. What do you mean? Which one can use absolute positioning? Huh. Hovering over element could highlight the card. Yeah, exactly. That's cool. Flores, you have good ideas. I like it a lot. Please hide all the APC contrast bubbles in our services section, including those last 2 containers. Yeah. No green. Yeah. Wait. Ensure that no green remain visible anywhere in this section after implementing the change. Wait. Ensure that no green anywhere in this section after the contrast button switch is clicked after this change. Okay, that should work. That should work. And how do you make this run on your own hosting? Yeah, okay, let's share. Let's share. Oh, I'm already streaming for 2 hours. I'm gonna share this with you guys, so you can test it. I'm gonna share it because you need to connect it to some server, and I can do that. I will show you because I already have like a server connected to Bolt. Did you also try other things that in Bolt? Yes, I already built 2 applications. Another one. Okay, so let's now check it. And then I want to implement that feature of Flores, and then we're going to put it live so you guys can click on it. That's really cool. So I'm going to zoom out again. Command 0. Okay, so now it should work. Let's refresh one more time. Contrast is everywhere. Click on it and it's gone. It works. It's amazing. I love it. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. This is so cool. Flores, what did you say? Copy text. I'm just going to copy like Flores his comment. Can I do that? I think I can. Let's see. Yeah, Flores, you're in here. From the chat into Bolt. Would be nice if each element in the live preview, each element, like heading text, buttons, etc., is clickable. For example, clicking the header would copy its color. Oh wait. No, I want to copy the color. I just want to like hovering over an element could. Yeah, that's what I mean. Highlight the card. Would be nice if each element in the live preview is showing a card of the used color in the sidebar when you hover over that element. That's kind of like a highlight bubble which color was used. Okay, this prompt is not good. We're gonna improve that. Hey John, I haven't seen your comment yet. Watching those horizontal tabs make me think vertical sidebar tabs would be great for Google Chrome. What? Horizontal tabs? What do you mean, John? I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, it has generated a new prompt. Create a hover interaction where the hovering over any element is a live preview displaying. Yeah. 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 Like with absolute positioning or something. I don't know. Include both the color preview swatch and the corresponding. Okay. Highlight the relationship between the hover element and its color properties. Disappear smoothly when the hover phase ends. Okay, nice. With across all interactive elements. I am very curious if this one is gonna work. Let's quickly check the comments. Well, AI is working for us. Flora says Dennis is right. Bolt now renders the APCS scores based on the state of its button, but it should add visibility hidden so the page doesn't shift. Oh, you think it's gonna shift now? Oh, so it's probably gonna break right now. Yeah. We'll see. Very interesting. What's gonna happen now? Based on the state of the button. Okay, it's already done. Let's refresh. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it does it. But it's way too high and you cannot click on it. You see that in the corner? You see that? Oh, and it's also not like following us. It stays in the corner, in the top corner. Okay. It works, but the how do I say that? Implemented a hover interaction that shows a color. Okay, but the color card, we're gonna talk in the language that they use, is now. Oh, maybe because I said absolute positioning, is now in the top right corner. So maybe remove. Oh, I'm getting tired, guys. The absolute positioning. And just display each color card above the element you are hovering over. I guess that's what I mean. It's a little bit hard to explain. If you toggle the on and off button, it breaks the layout of the preview. What on and off button? You mean the contrast one? I would have it highlight the card of the... Oh, so... That's what you mean. Instead of a box that I'm doing now. Yeah, okay, but I first want to try this. I think that's also cool. It's like... It's easy to scan that way. Create a tooltip style card that appears directly above any element being hover. Yeah. Showing its background color. Background color. Dynamically display without using absolute positioning. Show the elements exact background color value. Move smoothly with the cursor. Disappear. Okay. Let's try. Actually, I changed my settings in Bolt so that I'm using less tokens because I burned through like 10 million tokens in 5 days. And then somebody on my Instagram said that I can change the settings in Bolt to use less tokens. I will show you. I will show that to you guys because that's a huge saver for your tokens. Can I show that without messing it up? Yeah, here, feature previews. You have to turn this one on if you want that. It's really cool. So now my tokens are not going so fast. Okay, we have a problem. That's fine. We're gonna try to fix it. Hey, Stefan, how are you? Okay, Flores and Dennis agree. I still want what I want. Hey, yeah, look at that. Oh, and it's still showing the thing in the top corner. Okay, yeah, we're getting somewhere. It's at least like showing it. Okay, wait. We're getting there. I think that's kind of cool, but now that highlight would also be cool. So, great. Now, if you hover, now let's add a 5-pixel border in the brand color around each. No, around the color box. Oh, not that div, the whole div. Can I do that? Let's just do this one. Load a color box that's being, how do I say that? Being selected. So that the user gets feedback which color is being used on the live preview while they are hovering. Yeah, my prompt game is not always strong, especially when it's late and my brain is getting tired. Create a 5-pixel border using the brand color around the currently selected color box in the color palette. When the user hover over a color option, yeah, in the live preview, huh? Display this border to approve a clear visual. Yeah, the border should only appear on the color box being actually hovered over. Yeah, in the live preview. It should disappear when the mouse moves away. Yeah, moves away from the live preview. I'm just saying this because I don't always trust Bolt. I'm like, this is what I mean. Otherwise, it's gonna like rewrite something else, and then I'm not happy. But honestly, guys, this is already so cool. I'm gonna try to put it live. Wow, where's the quality control team? Flores van Nooyen. Yeah, exactly. You guys. That's why I love being both in the worlds of design and UX. And yeah, me too. I'm now in the world of development as well. Like I can use my UX skills. Is Bolt like Elementor? No, it's not. I mean, no, I wouldn't say it's not a page builder, but it is a visual way of building things. You can make websites with this. So, okay, let's check. We're gonna refresh and let's see if it did that. Yeah. Oh, it's disappearing really fast, but it's doing. Oh, it has the same color as the. See, it's working. Okay, let's change that 5 pixels border to 2 pixels. It's way too much. And just keep the color on. Let's just do some kind of gray color. Like otherwise it just gets too much. Let's just go back. Color to for all those borders. After that, you can remove the, how do I say that? Ooh, this is hard. How do I say that? The card in the top right corner. The card in the top right corner that includes the color preview, heading, text, or no, wait. The 2 text and the hex code. I don't know how to say this. I want to donate something to you, but I can't find a button. Ah, thank you, Stefan. Yeah, I don't have a donate button. That's very nice of you, Stefan. I don't have a donate button. I'm just doing these lives for free, guys. It's just fun for me. The floating cards. Yeah, but is the other one also not a floating card? I think if you're in both worlds, he means design and development. If you know what is possible in development, you can make better designs. For developer, because you understand the technology. Yeah, I think that's great for me with like bolts. I understand development, the basics at least. I understand how websites work, even though I cannot code. And I understand design very well, so that's why I think I can mess around with these tools and create something. But let's see if it understands my prompt. Please update the following border styles in the design. Change all the borders from yes, set all the borders, yeah. Additionally, remove the color preview card located in the top right corner, including yeah. Please maintain all the others items that currently appear. Yeah. I'm just gonna say, don't remove the small pop-up. No, that's not a pop-up. Highlight box that displays right above each element when you hover, and that just contains the hex code. I want to keep that. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna publish it, guys. Like or do we still want to implement one feature? Yeah, it's getting a little bit late, huh? The locking items are also functionless at the moment. Is that true? The locking items. Oh, I haven't even tested those. Yeah, because we don't have a swatch, right? Yeah, they don't need. We don't need the lock buttons. That's a good point. Yeah, good. Okay, did we? Yeah, it has deleted it. Oh, now that color is not. No, it's not big enough. You see? It's not big enough. What should we do? Like maybe instead of a border, add like a big shadow or something? What can we do to make sure that this... that it like... somehow gives an indication of which one it is? Change the... wait. Let's first add something and then delete something. Next to that 2-pixel border that shows when an element is hovered, let's also add a highlight bubble with text on top of the color card that says, yeah, what should it say? Come on, guys, help me. Skill to 105. Ah, hey, that's better. Thank you. Thank you. Next to that 2-pixel border with hovered, let's also add a 105% subtle skill animated with ease in, so that the user gets even more feedback which item is selected. Also, make the 2-pixel border a little bit darker. Let's see if this works. We'll see. Yeah. That says I see so many people, designers, design stuff that is a hell to make for developers. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's why I'm happy that I can do this, because I understand UX design, you know. Okay, it has said that it has updated. Let's refresh. Hey guys, that looks amazing. Oh, here it doesn't work. Oh, this one is not, or is it? Can we just not see it because it's like, this one doesn't work. Only in here. Okay, that's a problem for later, but it works now. That looks good. The border looks better. Okay, let's publish it. I want you guys to test it. This is cool. I'm gonna click on deploy. Let's see. So now it's gonna connect to my Netlify account, or should. think by default it will create a testing environment that anyone can use, and then you have to connect it to your Netlify account if you want to test it. Yeah, to claim it, you can connect it to your account. So let me quickly switch to my face and just do that in the background in case there's some sensitive information. No, there wasn't. Okay, so now there was just one button, connect. So now this project is part of my projects, and let's just change the name to Color Palette Generator. Is that a name that we can still use? Let's see. Save. No, it's already taken. Reno. Save. Yeah. Wait, let's just delete the generator then. Color palette Reno. That's a little bit shorter. Okay, so now I should be able to share the link with you guys. That's how easy it was. I really want you guys to test it, so I'm gonna try to put this in the chat. Okay. I've put it in the chat. Okay. Here, this is the link. Please check it out. Can you test it? Worked like a charm, says Lex. That's really cool, Lex. I'm also gonna test it myself. Awesome, says Lex. Hey, see how cool this is? We just created a web app. Here, let me just open it myself in an incognito. Here, the website is live. I mean, of course, you can also connect the domain, but like, it just works. I mean, it's not perfect yet. Like, the colors are not like dark enough. Like, I don't like that this one is too, it's like too dark compared to this one. And I should adjust it a little bit because it's a little bit too intense for my taste. Here, look at this. It's not great. When your brand color is like something bright, then, you know, it should not look as horrible as this. So there's definitely some work we should do, but for some colors it already works pretty well. Probably purple. Yeah, it's fine. This section still doesn't look great. Yeah, there's still some work to do in terms of the colors, but of course we haven't really defined that. We're mainly trying to build an application here pretty quickly. Here, this button works. Going to mobile works. Okay, this one's still a little bit messed up, but that's fine. This button is a little bit messed up, but that's also fine. Save template? No, that save doesn't work. The locking doesn't work. The copying does work though. See? And when you click, then it should actually like change it in here, so you can work from that as well. But hey, I am happy. I don't know about you guys, but this was really cool. Yeah, see, the light background is gonna go way too dark. If your brand color is dark, then the light background is way too dark. This is not good. But hey. Oh, and also this one is still white. It hasn't applied everything. There's still some white in there. Whatever. I am really happy. I don't know about you guys, but this was really, really cool. Yeah, really cool. A few more hours and you have a great tool. Exactly. How cool. How cool is that? The UI itself is starting to look good. Yeah, exactly. Looks very good, but APCA doesn't match real results currently, although it's quite close. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool that it's in there, you know, at least. Do you want some after stream suggestions? Of course, Dennis. I don't know where you normally like reach me, but you can always send me some messages. When scrolling to the footer of the preview, the palette is out of view. Yeah, that's also a good point. I should make it sticky, the palette, so that it scrolls with you if you scroll through the website. Very good point. Working, this is cool, right? It's very cool, huh, guys? What other tools did you build? Yeah, I also built a calculator for my girlfriend. She needed like a calculator that would calculate her freelance hours based on a certain hourly rate. And then I made it into an invoice generator. So she can calculate how much she should charge clients. Like you can include tax, a discount, and then you can generate an invoice. Yeah, it's also very cool. It's very cool. Lex says, would love to see the results from a dev perspective. How easy it is to edit and good enough. Oh yeah, I mean it is easy to edit. Like that's what Bolt is so great for. Like you know, you can just go into the codes in here, and you can literally just go into every single page and make changes. Like sometimes I do that to change a little text. You know, if I understand it here, live preview, you could just change it in here. Let's say live preview 2. If you click on save and you go back to preview, here, see? It actually updates it on the front end. So you can just mess around with the code, and you can even export the whole project as a download, and then you can upload that somewhere else. So let's say, you know, you think that Bolt is not good enough for backend stuff, because Bolt can be a little bit hard when it comes down to backend stuff. Then you can just download the project and then upload it in another tool that also uses React, because it's built on React. So that's how that works. Yeah, it's React, so you can deploy it locally. Yeah, or in another AI tool. I'm definitely going to use Bolt now that I saw this. Yeah, it's cool, right? It's cool, but please, Dennis, before you get too excited, I've spent a lot of time in Bolt. I know what to use Bolt for now, okay? This was a great tool to use Bolt for when you don't have a huge connection to the database. Even though the tool that I showed in the beginning also had a connection to the database. But when things get too complex, then Bolt might not be the best. It's very good at UIs, as you can see, basing on a picture. Like we literally didn't do anything, and we didn't design ourselves. Like it created that layout based on a picture, and then you know a front end tool like this is really good, or like invoice generator, calculators. What else? All kinds of stuff. So I would say chat with ChatGPT first before you build something, because not every tool is great. In Lovable, you can still edit in Elementor. What? Oh, like in Elementor, UI and other stuff. Yeah, I also love to test Lovable as well. Okay, guys, I want to end it here. I'm just gonna put on my last few music numbers. Let's see if we can put on some techno. I will figure it out. Of course, Dennis, you will figure it out. You are very smart. Looking at all of your comments. I see what's the quality of the code output. I think it's better than what Page Builders put out, but again, I'm not a good judge here. Yeah, I don't actually know. I'm sorry for answering that. At its core, this is just a React app, so you could handle this off to any React dev. Yeah, exactly. You can just work. How to edit elements in WordPress. I'm struggling now. Yeah, this is not a WordPress live stream, Joshua. Next time, probably. Woibang. Okay, going to bed. Buddy, it's 16:30 in the Netherlands. Yeah, bro, but it's 10:30 here in Bali, so I really need to go. The code quality is not better than Page Builders. Ask it to make it better. Oh, okay. Okay. See? I didn't know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna thank you. I'm gonna switch. And then I'm gonna go to bed. So I want to thank you all for watching. This was a great experience. We built something great again. Good night, Reno, and thank you for showing. Absolutely. This was fun to build. I really wanted to build something like this. I'm gonna improve it over time. Even more, improve features. If you guys have input for me, please, you can send me an email. Not the email you saw on the screen today, but the email, this email. Reno@livingwithpixels.com. This email you can use if you want to reach me, okay? So also for Dennis, if you have feature ideas, that's the email you can use. Good night. Thank you, Flores. And good night to you, Dennis, as well. I am glad that you guys liked it. And we're probably going to see each other next week, where we're hopefully going to do the UI Academy live stream then, which is also going to be fun. I'm going to redesign their Figma design. Their Figma plugin, actually. So, yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun as well. All right, guys. Thank you very much. And I will see you next time.